Prime Minister Hun Sen receives the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccines donated by the Government of Australia at Phnom Penh International Airport on Sunday night. Around 783,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccines arrived on Sunday, while the second batch of 1,567,530 doses is expected to arrive on Tuesday. Speaking at the handover ceremony, Prime Minister Hun Sen expressed that he was very happy and thankful to the government and people of Australia for providing vaccines to support Cambodia during the COVID-19 crisis. He stated that this donation is a good gesture by the Government of Australia to the people and government of Cambodia, as well as to humanity as a whole, in the fight against COVID-19, especially in areas where Cambodia is adapting to a new normal path in the context of COVID-19. He continued that since the outbreak and spread of COVID-19 began in Cambodia, the royal government has clearly determined that vaccines are the only way to control and overcome this deadly disease. With this in mind, the government has mobilized a nationwide vaccination program, which has allowed everyone aged 5 and above to receive the vaccine in Cambodia, leading to more than 90% of Cambodia's 16 million population being vaccinated as of 26 December 2021. He stated that the success of the vaccination campaign has allowed the country to fully reopen since 1 November 2021, with high vigilance and responsibility, and also added that the newly arrived Pfizer vaccines from Australia will be dispatched as booster doses to frontline workers in the country first. The Prime Minister continued to say that despite the rising global concern about the new Omicron variant, Cambodia is not worried and will continue to run its economy with strict safety measures and a high level of vigilance in place. He urged everyone to take caution but to not panic because this new variant has so far shown to not be as deadly as previous variants. According to a media release issued by the Australian Embassy, this vaccine donation to Cambodia is part of Australia's commitment to share up to 60 million COVID-19 vaccine doses with the Indo-Pacific region by the end of 2022, with more than 10 million shared to date. The Chargé d'Affaires of the Australian Embassy, Andreas Zerbrugg, stated that Australia is proud to support Cambodia by delivering 2.35 million doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. He says the vaccine donation is the first time Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines will be used at this scale in the kingdom. He added that Australia has also provided US $28 million in grant funding for a comprehensive package of support for COVID-19 vaccines, which includes helping train healthcare workers and providing logistics support and equipment. Australia is working in partnership with UNICEF and the World Health Organization to support the nationwide vaccination campaign, particularly for the procurement and delivery of vaccines to vulnerable populations in hard-to-reach locations in Cambodia. Darshana Gochan, EAC News.